Hello?
Excuse me, I'm a student and I'm trying to improve my English. May I talk to you?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. My name is Lap, L-A-P. I'm 22 years old and I'm a last year student at Hanoi University of Natural Resources and Environment. What's your name, please?
My name is Sarah. I'm 23 years old and I live in Germany. Uh,
Germany.
yes.
Could you spell the name, please?
My name is S-A-R-A-H.
F-A-R-A-H.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Sorry, could you say the name again, please?
Excuse me?
Could you say the name again, please?
My name is Sarah.
Sarah? Where you come from, Sarah?
Where I come from? I come from Germany. I live in Bavaria and I'm still a student and I study international relations.
Yes. I know Germany. Its capital is Berlin. And the country is famous for weird and expensive cars, right?
Yes,
Okay.
that's right.
I was born in Hanoi. My house is not far from here. How do you feel about the weather in Hanoi?
Hanoi was a very busy city and there are a lot of motorbikes and it's really hard to cross the street.
Yes.
And but I really liked it.
Yes. What's the weather like in your country? What's the weather like in your country?
In Vietnam?
Germany.
In Germany, how is it like? The cars, it's not that busy, and there are traffic lights, and it's not so dangerous to cross the street.
How long have you been in Hanoi?
I have been in Hanoi for 3 days.
3 days?
And yes,
Yes.
only 3 days.
Yes. What places in Hanoi have you visited?
I have been to the HònKiem Lake
Kim Lake?
and to the French Quarter, and we visited the prison, Hollow prison.
Yes. Yes. Besides Hanoi, what places in Vietnam did you travel to?
Would you repeat it again?
Besides Hanoi, what places in Vietnam did you travel to?
I have been to Bắc Cạn, where my grandparents on the paternal side live, and now I am in Ha Long Bay.
Yes. Yes. Which place do you like best and why?
What I like best?
Which place do you like best?
Which place?
Yes.
I like Ha Long Bay, and
Yes.
I have been to a Cat Bar, and they are beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. When are you going to leave Vietnam?
I will leave tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow night.
Yes. By the way, I'm making an entertainment habit survey. Could you help me, please?
Excuse me?
I'm making an entertainment habit survey. Could you help me, please?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like watching films?
Watching movies?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I really like watching movies.
Yes. How often you watching movies?
How often? I maybe every day.
Every day?
When
Okay.
I have the time.
What time of the day do you mostly watch films? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
I watch TV at in the evening after my studies, and and
In the evening?
Vietnamese? No, I don't watch Vietnamese TV. I just watch German TV or English movies.
Yes. Do you usually watch films with your friends or alone?
If I watch alone, no, I also have friends to watch with, and because
Okay.
if nobody has time, I watch alone. It doesn't matter.
What kind of films do you most? Horror, detective, superhero?
I don't know, maybe romantic and superhero.
Okay. Do you prefer?
I don't like horror films.
Do you like watching? Do you like action films? Do you prefer
Action
American
films,
films or Korean films?
Yeah.
Do you prefer American films or Korean films?
American.
Okay. What's the most favorite film?
The most, I don't know which films I like.
Okay. Who is the most favorite actor?
Excuse me.
Who is the most favorite actor?
The actor,
Yeah.
Channing Tatum. Do you know Channing Tatum?
Okay. And how many films did you see last month?
How many films?
Yes.
What was the question?
Sorry?
Could you repeat the question, please?
How many films did you see last month?
How many films he acted in?
Nice. Who do you usually go to the cinema with? Who do you usually go to the cinema with?
I don't know. Next question.
Next. How many hours do you watch television?
How many times I watch a day? Or
What time of the day do you mostly watch television? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
in the evening.
Yes, in the evening. What kind of television programs do you most?
Programs. I like comedy shows and
Yes, comedy show.
yeah.
Okay. What is the most favorite channel? HBO, Discovery.
Channel. The German channel for which I watch the most is ProSieben.
Yes. Do you usually watch television on the internet?
Yes, I watch comedy shows like or daily soaps like Grey's Anatomy on the internet.
Okay. And what kind of things do you on the internet?
Excuse me?
What kind of things do you usually do on the internet?
On the internet, what I do on the internet?
How many hours do you surf the internet?
How many hours? I don't know. I don't have a TV, so I watch TV on the internet. So it's like 5 hours a day.
Yes. Have you ever bought anything on the internet?
I use Facebook on the internet and
Okay.
Instagram,
Yeah.
YouTube.
Do you think that television has destroyed communication among friends and family?
My friends and family.
Yeah.
If I talk to them on the internet, or what was the question again, please?
Do you think that television has destroyed communication among friends and family?
Oh yeah, because communication with the internet is better because it's not that expensive, and I can talk to my cousin from Germany, and my cousins are in Vietnam, so very good.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. You okay?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.